Okay, now let's talk about a couple of things. Environment variables. Remember earlier I told you that you can open document applications from the CMD, for example, like Word, browsers. It's Microsoft Edge, and many other applications, even Git Bash. Okay, but now let's see, I want to open Chrome, but I don't have Chrome added to my environment variables. As you can see, it says Chrome is not recognized as an internal or external command. Now, how do I add this browser to my environment variables? Well, you're going to first right click the icon, navigate to open file location, then you should come across something like this: application, Chrome, blah blah blah. I want to execute this .exe, so I'm going to copy this path, and then I'm going to go to my Windows search bar and type environment variables. Open it, click the environment variables button, then you would find user variables for whatever your username is, then go to path, click it, then click edit, and these are the current paths that I've added to my environment variables. So the reason that I can open PowerPoint, MS Word, is because I added their location. So every time I type let's say PowerPoint, my operating system is going to first look at my environment variables. If such a path to this application exists, then it's going to execute it. If not, it's not going to execute it. As you can see, my path, I have the Microsoft Office /root 16 for my Brave browser. This is the path for my Git Bash. This is the path for my Microsoft Edge browser. This is the path. Now I want to add the Chrome browser. I want to open Chrome. So that path that I've copied, I'm going to click new, paste. So every time I type the name of this exe, just Chrome, it's going to look for this path and it's going to find it, that exe, and execute it. Now let's see. Now the reason for this is that this terminal does not yet have access to the newly edited path, so I have to close this terminal and open a new terminal. So I've closed the terminal. Now I want to open a new terminal. Let's see the path. Let's type path. Now you can see we have Chrome application. Now let's see if we can open Chrome. It will open Chrome. And this Chrome browser opening. Yeah. Another thing, let's say you want to style your terminal. If you're using a later version than this, Windows version 10 point something here, you can just click on this icon and then you'd find a prompt that would pop up here and you would select whatever. But on this one, if you want to adjust the font size of the text, just click Control plus to increase, minus to decrease. If you want to change the color, say color /? These are the color attributes that you can use. Say I want let's say say yellow and green, so I'm going to say color. I'm going to use the numbers, not the letters, not the words. I'm going to say yellow is number 6, green is number 2. Click OK. As you can see, the background is yellow and the font, the text color is green. Now let me make it readable. Let's say 26. Oh, it's worse. Let's pick a suitable background. Let's go with gray. Let's go. Just keep getting worse and worse. Go with 0 and 1. It's still worse, but just play around with it and find the right colors that you like.